Finally, it's time. Time to head back to the bench. It's been a while since I built a model. It's been a while since I actually videoed anything. However, maybe I shouldn't do that. Let's watch TV instead. No, you know what? No, it's time to get back to the bench, back to modeling. But wait a second. I think another episode of The Office is going to come on. No, you know what? I'm going to go back to the bench. Time to make a video. Oh, yeah. Warning, this is not a good video. This is not a good build review video, nor is this a good what's in the box video. This is just simply a modeling video. As a matter of fact, this may be the worst modeling video ever produced and put on YouTube. Viewer discretion is advised. Enjoy! So now, let's take a look at what's in the box. We're not actually looking at what came in the box. Yes, I'm sure some stuff that you see did come in this box originally. I originally built this kit about 3 years ago, so what used to be in the box is no longer there. Here we have some cardboard. We have some leftover decals or decals for my friends in Canada. We have some decals from a Dragon kit. I believe that's a Type D Panther. We have some Tamiya sprues from their Panther G kit, both steel wheel and late version. We have some Edward photo etch. We have some other stuff. I think that's On the Mark photo etch in that bag. Amazing stuff. Great stuff in this box. What else do we have here? Oh, not one, but 2 instruction booklets for 2 different Panther kits. Very good, very helpful. We have yet another instruction booklet, this time for a Panther D, again from Dragon. Very interesting. I'm glad I kept all these things. What else do we have in this box? I see a Panther A kit in a bag. And last but not least, I see a very fine resin part for a Panther J. Okay. Now here's what we see outside of the box. Lovely colors, lovely drawings, lovely CAD reproductions, and also we see what originally came in the box. That's a lot of sprues. We could also see that the back of the box comes with some very colorful artwork, produced by this guy. Oh yes. Now I originally bought this kit because I was very excited to see the molded on Zimmerit, and I have to say, they did a great job. I think this is the finest Zimmerit reproduction on a plastic kit I've ever seen. Look at that detail. So I could not wait to build this thing and to paint it. And like I said, I did this 3 years ago. So what you're seeing here is an extra hull that I have. I'll tell you later how I got my hands on an extra hull. But here's the kit that I built and I painted that came in the box. Look at that detail. It looks so beautifully painted, as opposed to unpainted. The Zimmerit all around looks beautiful, whether it's on the front, the side, the turret, the back. They did a great job. Even the stowage bin Zimmerit is fantastic. So this part of the review, I'm going to say A+, guys. Now, the reason why I have an extra one is because this is the original one that came in the kit, and this hull looks a little warped. So what I did was I went on eBay. I found that guy that sells spare sprues from kits, and I bought an extra hull from him for about 15 bucks. Now this kit comes with a very detailed interior. I had very little problems constructing the interior. There were some fit issues. To be more specific, when it came to attaching the upper hull to the bottom hull, it did not fit so nicely. But with a little pushing, a little muscle power, it was overcome. Another problem I had was with the ammunition. The ammunition didn't always fit, and yeah. Now, I decided to actually build the kit first, do not paint the interior, and then I constructed everything. So I decided to paint the interior after the rest of the kit was built and painted. Here we see the result of my work, the result of my genius. At the time, though, I really felt like this was a good idea. a brilliant idea. What do you think? I did the same thing also with the turret, but look at the interior details. Nicely done, I have to say. I was pretty impressed with this Takom kit. The interior is very well detailed, and I have to say I didn't have to do much scratch building. But again, I thought it was a great idea, and hear this clearly, great idea to build it first, don't paint it, close it up, then paint the exterior. Then I tried to paint the interior after the kit was done. What the hell was I thinking? Oh my God, I made a huge mistake. What the hell? I can't believe I'm that stupid. I really am that stupid. My God. Oh, well, that's me. Oh, yeah. Here is a recreation of me painting the interior of the kit after the kit was completed and painted. I'll say that again. I tried to paint the interior of the kit after the kit was painted and weathered and finished. And here you see a recreation of me doing such a brilliant exercise. This is me working on the turret, me working on the interior, and so forth. Now, another aspect of the kit, not so bad, are the tracks. The tracks are the link and length type. Nicely done, not bad. Here you see the way they looked before they were constructed, or to be more accurate, this is from another Takom Panther kit, but these are the same exact tracks that came in the kit that I originally built. And here you see you have to glue the guide horns on separately. However, if I was to build this kit again, I think I'd use these tracks. I bought these tracks off of Amazon for about 60 bucks. These are nicely done tracks, and they come pre-assembled. So if you're lazy, like me, this appeals to you. It also comes with spares. Now, these tracks, though, they are expensive. They are pre-built, but they're not perfect. There is something about these tracks that I noticed right away, and that's they're a little wiggly. And the reason why they're a little wiggly is because they did not insert the pins all the way. Now, another aspect of the kit that I think can use some improving are the German tool clamps. Here you see, these are the original ones from the kit. They're not bad though. They're better than some older models, and they're better than some present models. However, they could use definitely some improving. I mean, this is the best I believe you can do with plastic injection molding. So what would I do? If I was to build this kit up, look what happened, this wheel came off. Another problem with the kit is there's not much surface space to glue the wheels on, so they do pop off quite regularly. But let me fix this right now. A little bit of super glue. Spread it liberally. Attach it to the point where it should be attached. Don't pay close attention to where the wheel really should be put in place. Use a little finger pressure, and voila. Hopefully she'll stay in place and she's straight. So what would I use instead for the German tool clamps? I would use these. These are very nice. They come in a very dark black resin. They're a little flexible too. A lot of times you assume that resin parts are just rock solid hard. These are actually a little bit flexible, but they're very nicely detailed, they're well done, and they're really tiny. They're very small. Let's take a closer look. So if I had to build this Takom Panther again, I would probably use these. Now here's another issue that I ran into. Did anyone ever tell you that Takom decals are really, really thick? These things are super thick. I'm talking ridiculously thick. Insanely thick. Alright, maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but they're a little bit too a little too thick. A little too thick to my liking. So here you see. Now even on the back of the turret, the numbers are a little thick. And also, if you look at the hatch seems to be applied wrong. That may be due to user error. Well, that's it, folks. I'm calling this video done. Thanks again for watching. Just to review, This was my in-box review of what not came in the box, but what is currently now in the box. This is the box that I now use for my spares for my Panther kits. Also, I did learn a lot from building this kit. I may want to burn this kit, but I did learn a lot from building this kit, and that is, if you're going to build an interior, you should not wait till the model is complete to try to paint it through the hatches and the openings. That's a very dumb, stupid idea. That's probably one of the dumbest ideas I ever made. It's probably not the last dumb idea I'm going to have. However, this is one of the dumbest. The Zimmerit on this kit looks fantastic. It's well done, well reproduced. The tracks are pretty good, but I would definitely switch them out with some metal ones. The German clamps, the tool clamps, they're pretty nice for an injection molded kit, but I would switch them out with some resin ones. Or, if I'm feeling really up to the task, I'll do some photo etch ones. Other things I would switch out are the decals. Takom decals, from what I understand, are a little thick, so if I had to build this puppy again, I would definitely use aftermarket or some other decals or decals for my Canadian and English friends. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I hope you do understand that this video is probably going to go down in, I guess, the world fame or, the Guinness Book of World Records as the worst modeling video ever made. But hey, if you enjoyed it, that's fantastic. All right, folks. Have a good one. Take care. Keep modeling. Bye-bye.